Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, remember to hit the subscribe button. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos and liking my videos. A while back, I posted a video of my mom teaching me how to make sweet rice wine. This time, I wanted to try it myself. I thoroughly washed and cooked 3 cups of glutinous rice, and then I used my mortar and pestle and crushed 1 packet of the sweet wine cake. Here's a tip from my mom. The powder has to be very fine. Take any clumps that you find and continue to pound them. Place a layer of the cooked glutinous rice in a glass jar, then sprinkle some of the rice wine powder. Continue to layer it until you finish all the rice and powder. Cover the top with a plastic cling wrap, then put the lid on. Choose a dark, warm spot to let the rice wine ferment. During the first week, there was not a lot of liquid. It was only starting to ferment. During the second week, I noticed there was more liquid forming in the jar, and I noticed that the rice was starting to really soften up. When you see the glutinous rice looking like this, you know it's ready to strain and enjoy. Use a fine mesh strainer and extract as much liquid as you can from the glutinous rice. Once this is complete, store the rice wine and the rice in the refrigerator. My mom actually likes eating the rice. For me, I enjoy drinking the rice wine. If you like this video, remember to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you next time.